This is chapter 4 terms. Fasciorrhaphy, suturing of fascia. Arthrolysis, loosening a stiff joint. Chondroplasty, reconstruction of cartilage. Myotomy, incision into a muscle. Tendectomy, is removal of a tendon. Tarsoplasia is the surgical fracture of the ankle. Spondylocendesis, fusing together of multiple vertebrae. Metacarpectomy, removal of a bone in the hand. Ostectomy, the removal of a bone. Craniotomy, removal of a portion of the skull. And that's it.